Hello my dear friends, today I want to show you how work real working Aviator predictor for 1xBet, and look how it's work, guys. Okay, this is Google Chrome. You see that's real, don't worry, it's real amazing. You see all this real work, it's real Google Chrome, don't worry guys. Go to the crash, this 1xBet official website, you see, live crash. All this real, don't worry. You see my balance. All this real. And now, look how it's work. Go to my mobile Android phone. Choose Aviator Predictor Hack. Choose 1xBet. And you see number, guys, when Aviator crash stops. It's amazing. It's real work perfect, you see, and I show you how I make money. Place $15. I place $15, guys. You see, this is my bet. You see my balance. You see my bet, guys. And look how I make money with my mobile phone, with my Aviator crash. Just wait a little bit. And take winnings now. Amazing, guys. You see, it's real amazing and I win money. I miss this bet because it's real low coefficient, you see. Yes, okay. Try win money. And place big bet. Yes, I take winnings. Amazing, I win money. Place a bet. You see my balance? Amazing, you see, guys. That's real amazing. That's real work perfect. I like it, you see. You see my history, guys. You see my history. A real working hack for 1xBet for Aviator Predictor, guy. If you want this hack, subscribe to my official Telegram channel and write me here if you want this real working script hack. APK. For 1xBet, for Aviator Predictors. This is my mobile Android phone, just a boring mobile phone. You see my balance, you see my history. That's real amazing, that's real work, you see. I make money, easy and fast. Thank you for view, guy. Bye-bye, see you later if you want this hack. Look how it's work perfect. Amazing.